Well, he's out here. We got Richard doing with the shovel. I bought him a brand new shovel. You like it, Richard?
Yep.
Yep, that's Richard. This is my buddy Richard. He helping. He's basically shoving that stuff over there. We're clearing here at Rocks. It's a cool restaurant. Got snow all over the sign. Very good food. They're supposed to open at 11 today, so we're trying to get everything cleared at the moment. We got maybe, I don't know, how many people does it take to run a snowplow truck? There's 2 in that truck, but I guess there is 2 in my truck. So I don't know, we got maybe 2.5 inches of heavy wet snow, and it's starting to stick again. Still snow. So yeah, buddy. Well, doing some more snow here. We got about, I don't know, a little bit. Some places got more, some places got less. We got, I don't know, that there's kind of deep. I don't know, that's at maybe 3 inches there. I think that's probably a good 3 inches there, maybe. I don't know, there's more snow out here than there is in town. But the old plow's doing good. I know what that plow doesn't look very big. That truck is also small, but doesn't look very big, but it is. About 7 foot. Eventually it's gonna have wings on it, just haven't done it yet. Richard's doing a good job cleaning up the sidewalks. Then he's gonna push all this over there. And we're gonna move on to the next one. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. We need to get some wings on these plows so that we can do that cross thing a lot better. That makes a heck of a lot of difference trying to move a lot of snow with 2 trucks. Makes it go real well, really fast.